This is basically an infrastructural development visit. We know strides that China has taken in power, in railway, in transportation generally, in development. And we know that Nigeria has plenty deficit in that area. So if we can gain things from any country, particularly China, in the areas where we are lacking, why not engage with them? And that is why we're here.
Agriculture is another area that we're expecting to tie up some deals with the Chinese, and also for security, even military hardware and support in that area. Of course, also trade and investment is also an area that we're going to be looking at. The balance